Okay, taking another one off of the list from the uh, online digital concert during the pandemic. And this one is Daididau, and kind of the story behind it. There was a Kazakh poet, and so the story goes he and a distant cousin were in love. They were teenagers in love. I think there's a song about teenagers in love, but I digress. But anyway, um, due to arranged marriages, they married different parties, and then back in their later life were able to reconnect. And the young poet wrote a story, and it was about his love for his wife. His nickname for her was Daididau. And they, after they had become each widowed, they reunited and built a life together. And he was also quite a patriot, loved his homeland. He was born in the late 1800s, on 1893, during the time that the Russian Tsar ruled over Kazakhstan. And it was also a time in which uh, Kazakhstan was kind of hankering for some independence. And this young poet wrote poems to that effect. And he became a member of the Kazakh government. His activities during that time, they accused him of being a Japanese spy. He was arrested and was in prison for 10 years. And during the time that he was in prison, he was told by the prison guards that his wife had left him, that she had given up waiting for him because he had been in prison for so long, and that she had married another. He found out later that that was not true, but he got out and discovered the truth of this, but he remained active in the fight for the freedom of Kazakhstan. About a year after he got out of prison, this time he was arrested again in the city of Almaty, and this time, this was in 1938, he was executed by shooting. And this poem and the song is one that is, as many interviews have said, very dear to Dimash. He performed it on I Am Singer, one of my favorite performances from that. And he came in third on that particular episode. I think he should have come higher, but anyway, excellent performance of it. But the one I'm going to do tonight is actually from the 2021 digital. So let's go ahead and take a look and listen.
Kalamalı ses gelirken Yüzün var ondur Hayday görkem Esemi sen tüskende yukarıga Qozg'aysin qotib qolgan oy Ashtin derdi Qozg'aysin qotib qolgan oy Ashtin derdi Şadım etmedim dostum olmadım Oydan ayrılığa yolmadılar Yekilmez ayrılmazday yolu bitti Haydi gelmedin ay şalgadına Daididau Haydi gelmedin ay şalgadına
Love the lighting and effects on this.
Hayday
Okay, that is his version from the digital concert. I'd previously done the one from I Am Singer. In the description, I will link back to that one as well as the link to this one. And that's going to be it for tonight. Have a good one, everybody. Good night. Peace.